welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see my face, I'm smiling already. Okay, before we dive right into this haul, you guys already know what it is. Just smash that like button and check out my website SOPHIA'S for beautiful earrings. Okay, so let's dive right into this haul. Okay guys, so this haul here is a birthday. It's Jiro's 18th birthday party food and some, of course, some other household food. Okay, so she's going to be 18 soon, so we have to do a mini 80th birthday party for her. Well, it's not really party, just eating and drinking. Okay, so this is a combination haul. This haul is Iceland and Asda. Okay, so we are going to start from here. So we got these 3 drinks: Tango Berry, 7-Up, £19 for the 3. In Iceland warehouse, Iceland is the food warehouse they call it. They normally say drinks. They do offers a lot on the drinks. So 1, 2, 3, £19. Okay, and then this is the tissue paper I was talking about some time ago that they've increased the price. It's £11.50. Okay, so I got just one of that. Iceland. And then from here we have some chicken roll. This chicken roll used to be £1. It used to be 99p, then it went to £1, then it went to £1.10p, then now it's £1.30p. As that. Okay guys, so I got 3, and then I got some matured cheese, matured cheddar, British cheddar cheese. 2 is £3.50. Okay, it used to be £3 for 2, but of course the price keep going up and down. And then we have some clover butter here. This was from Iceland, £2.50. We're doing sales on it. And then I got milk. This milk, I don't always remember their prices for some very interesting reason, but they are £1 something. I got it from Iceland. Cake, just 1. Over here we got some waffles from Iceland. They are £1, as you can see. And then over here I got some chicken that I'm going to be used to make fried rice stew. Tomorrow I'm going to be making stew. I'm making fried rice as well. So today's date is 7th of June. Okay, yeah guys, so I bought another chicken as well. The chicken, they are from not Iceland, they are from Asda. So this big bag of Thai is £4.50, and then the chicken wings is £1.98. Okay, so that is that. And then over here we have some burger buns from Iceland. It's £1.50. It has always been £1.50. Okay, and then over here, let me go around the table. Let's go around the table so you guys can see properly. Okay, let's continue from this end. Okay, so I got this pizza for myself, a very small pizza. They were doing it for £1.98 in Asda. And then also in Asda, they were doing this tortilla wraps. Yeah, wraps for 30p. Okay, yeah, so I bought just those one. And then also in Asda, they are doing some Capri Sun 2 for £4. So the Capri Sun has 8 inside. So I got 2 type, orange and something fruit. It's upside down, summer berries. Yeah, and this one is orange, £4 for the 2. And then over here in Iceland, I like this, their millennium cheesecake. It's £1.75 or 79. Okay, and this is also from Iceland. It's £1 for this onion. You can see how small it is. That's £1. I've shown you guys the burger bread already. And then over here we have our normal bread for sandwich. I got just 3 of them from Asda. The price has increased from 50-something to 70p. So it's now 70p for 1. And then coming over here, we have some chicken wings from Iceland. These are £3. Okay, and then we have our French fries. I bought just 1 French fries. One of these as well. The French fries are £2. They are £2. And then over here we have some chicken thigh, which are also £3. I bought 2 of them, chicken thigh. And then our normal chicken nuggets that we always get is £5. You guys know they've reduced the quantity, but the price still remains the same. And then over here we have some The children's yogurt, Iceland is still doing the offer, 3 for £6. Okay, 3 for £6. And then down here we have some bagels from not Tesco, from bagels from Asda, 80p. They've increased the price to 80p. It was originally, I think, 60p or 50p, 50 something p. Then it went to 70p. Now it's 80p anyway. Yeah, plain bagels from Asda. I got 3 of them. And then of course it's birthday, so we got the birthday cake for Jiro. Okay, so the birthday cake is £14. This cake used to be £12 in those days, but it's £14 now. Okay, still okay, at least only £2 increase really. So that's the birthday cake, it's £14. And then I got these crisps, French fry crisps for them, £2.98. And then over here we still continue with some cake because she's taking some of them to sixth form at school. So this is for our school. This is this cake was £4.50. Yeah, from not Tesco, Asda. I keep confusing Tesco and Asda. I don't know why. From Asda, and this other one as well from Asda. This one is £5. This one here is £5.50. So this one is for the house. And then we also got some egg from Iceland. This egg, they are £2 something. I forgot the exact price, but it's £2 something from Iceland. There is about 30 in there. Okay, yeah, so I think that's everything. I think I've shown you guys the tissue paper. I've shown you guys, yeah guys, so that's what is in this haul, combined haul. Asda and Iceland birthday food, birthday grocery shopping. Okay guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my website, SOPHIA'S.com. It's always on the description section. Okay guys, smash the like button before you go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share the video if you enjoy watching. So everything here cost me, my shopping in Iceland was £66. My shopping in Tesco was, not Tesco, sorry guys, my shopping in Asda was £53. So you can just work it out guys. Okay guys, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye guys.